Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got an easy one for you. 13 Honda Fit. Change the air filter. Pretty easy, it's right here. Two little clips and then two up on either side. You can use either the OEM filter. You can go in Rock Auto. Got a Denso, who's an OEM manufacturer, a lot of filters. It's a 143-3667, but you can use any good name brand, Purolator, Wix, anything like that. So this thing's pretty easy. Undo those front clips there. These here. You just kind of twist them off to the side. Like that. Put you back down. In two hands. Stay. And this just lifts up and out. There's no, it's just a O-ring, press seal kind of thing there. There's no clamp. Old filter. See, it's pretty dirty. It's not super bad, but it's definitely due. You get your new one. Put her up. Compare it. Make sure it look the same, other than being, obviously one's clean, one's dirty. Put it back in there. Just slide this into there. If it's a little sticky, use a little silicone. Slide it in, line everything up. Should liz all the way down. You just snap in. Then these, you kind of have to, this little piece has to go into there. It'll be a little tricky because the battery's real close. You just snap it in there like that. Same thing for this side here. Goes there. Snaps in. That's it. That's how you change air filter. 13 Honda Fit. Should be similar to other year ranges. I believe this body style second gen is 09 to 13 or so, in that range. I don't think it went to 14. I think 14 is a new generation, but hope this helps. Thanks. Like, subscribe.